Building critical business reports takes time, far too much time. In an age of self-driving cars and AI, teams are still wasting hours taking screenshots and manually plugging charts and data. That's why the world's most data-driven companies turn to Rollstack. Rollstack automatically generates and updates slide decks and documents from your business intelligence and analytics tools. It's truly self-serve, no matter your role. Whether you're in data and analytics, business operations, customer success, finance, or marketing, you can automate reports without the hassle. Simply connect your data source, link your template, and voila! Let Rollstack do the rest. Is it really that easy? Well, our customers rate it as #1. It doesn't take days or weeks to create accurate, up-to-the-minute insights reports. It doesn't require technical skills to build high-quality presentations. And it doesn't take a data expert to know that Rollstack is the smartest way to harness data-driven insights. Join the new era of report generation. Get started with Rollstack today.